With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question given here is Statement 1. The energy of an electron depends only upon principal quantum number and in case of hydrogen and hydrogen-like ions. And Statement 2. The energy of an electron depends on principal quantum number as well as azimuthal quantum number for other atoms. Option 1 is Statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is true. Statement 2 is correct explanation for Statement 1. Second option is Statement 1 is true, Statement 2 is true. Statement 2 is not a correct explanation for Statement 1. Third is Statement 1 is true and Statement 2 is false. And Statement 1, fourth option is Statement 1 is false and Statement 2 is true. So it is given for the Statement 1 that the energy of an electron depends upon the principal quantum number in case of hydrogen and hydrogen-like ions. So for energy, we have the equation that is minus 13.6 z square divided by n square. So z is for hydrogen like atoms, z is 1, right? So but we can see that n is the principal quantum number here. N is the principal quantum number. So for this statement, it is given that yes, the statement is true here, because if we see that Z is 1, obviously in the case of hydrogen or hydrogen-like ions, so the energy depends on N only, that is the principal quantum number. So this statement first is true, and the second statement is given as that statement 1 is true. And the second statement is also true, that the energy of electron depends on the principal quantum number as well as azimuthal quantum number for other atoms. So other atoms as in apart from the hydrogen, if we see, so energy for, like you can say the when we calculate the energy order, so it depends on N and L. So N and L are N is the principal quantum number and L is the azimuthal quantum number. So like we can say that the for the principal quantum number, so that is denoted by N here. So that is the energy level. So it determines the size of an orbital, size of an orbital, and larger the size of, like larger the number of N, so bigger the orbital. Also it largely determines the energy of the orbital, like larger the N, higher the energy, right? So all the electrons in an atom with the same value of N are said to belong to the same principal energy level. So azimuthal number is that is L. So it also depends, like the energy also depends on this. If we say that effect, it tells the overall shape of the orbital shell or the orbital, right? So it affects the orbital energy. So larger the size, you can say, the higher is the energy. So yes, the statement 2 is also correct here, true here, but statement 1 is not like statement 2 is not explaining statement 1. So then they both are true, but they're not the statement 2 is not correct explanation. So the correct option here is statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, but statement 2 is not correct explanation for statement 1. So the correct answer is option number 2.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.